Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on web search history on Skype on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on web search history on Skype can be helpful for keeping track of your search activity and revisiting websites you have previously accessed within the app. It can also assist in retrieving information or links you have previously viewed, making it easier to reference them during conversation or for personal use. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter the Skype app on your device. Well, so here tap on profile icon at the top left corner and then select settings option. Okay, after that you can choose general menu here. And now look for web search history and turn it on like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn on web search history on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.